Hey everyone, this is Daniel from Land Software. Let me show you how to make a spectacular roof within minutes in ArchiCAD using Land4. Working with interpolations and other powerful Land4 tools allows you to control any surface not just by using 3D lines but also 3D points. Therefore, you have way more control over your surfaces. With just a small input, you can start being creative and generate fast any surfaces, just like this unique rooftop. Once you're happy with your design, it's just a matter of a click to generate and regenerate surfaces. The Land4 objects are fully integrated in ArchiCAD, therefore you can involve them in different operations which ArchiCAD can handle. Check out the full video on our YouTube channel or land4cad.com.